Welcome. Hi, my name is Chris Phillips. I wanted to just go through a little bit more about the unlocking series that we put together. We have clients all the time that come in with this rounding of their spine. When you get them on the couch, you've got that curve, and the erector spinae group, that group of muscles on either side that are a part of extension and rotation of our spine, really hard and solid as it rocks forward, and you can really put your hands on it. Very important when you do deep tissue work and understand the differences between locked long and locked short muscles and what do they mean, because they can feel very similar. So we're going to be observing posture. We're all aware of clients who come in with that neck forward and the tight sternocleidomastoid group, and the vata scapula, that bony landmark here that we rub for people when it's so sore and tender. That's the muscle we're going to be really understanding what it does. And then those head achy muscles that are behind the back of the head, those extensors of the neck that get really solid and tight. The scapula on another day, unlocking the shoulder blade, will be all about rounding of the scapula, where the shoulder goes forward and we're getting pain between the shoulder blades. We're getting lack of movement, possibly, raising the arm up, being able to, put a hand behind us. This area here gets really congested and tight. And I want to give you some techniques to really start putting as Ida Rolf used to say, put the scapula back where it belongs. Really important to do. Third day is looking at lower back pain, where you had those clients and they've got that arch in their lower back, their pelvis is rotated or tilted forward, they've got tight flexors at the front, the hamstrings are in a long position, and they suffer with that kind of chronic lower back pain that we all suffer from our lives. And some techniques to understand the muscle groups in finer detail. I'll give you a routine to actually begin to understand the fanning or the discipline of these muscles and how to work on them. So we can really start putting people back in a position and giving them sort of ways of actually working with these really chronic, long-term kind of conditions which we see all the time. I look forward to meeting you. It'd be nice to have you the company on the courses, and do your seatbelt up. We're going to be busy. Thank you.